Good evening. So tonight I just want to jump straight back into William Cooper's Behold the Pale Horse. Let me open with his friend Delamore Duveris said, "One basic truth can be used as a mountain for a mountain of lies. And if we dig down deep enough in the mountain of lies and bring out that truth to set it on top of the mountain of lies, the entire mountain of lies will crumble under the weight of that one truth. And there is nothing more devastating to the structure of lies than the revelation of the truth upon which the structure of lies was built, because the shock waves of the revelation of the truth reverberate and continue to reverberate throughout the earth for generations to follow, awakening even those people who had no desire to be awakened to the truth." I'm going to jump straight into chapter 14, where Cooper writes about the proposed constitutional model for the new states of America. It was prepared over a 10-year period by the Center for Democratic Studies in Santa Barbara, California, and cost the United States taxpayers around $25 million. Before I jump straight into that, let me just, to whet our memory, open with the preamble of our United States Constitution at this time, which is, "We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America." But let's set that aside. And in we go into the proposed constitutional model for the new states of America. Preamble. So that we may join in common endeavors, welcome the future in good order, and create an adequate and self-repairing government, we the people do establish the new states of America, herein provided to be ours, and do ordain this Constitution, whose supreme law it shall be, until the time prescribed for it to shall have run. Article 1, Rights and Responsibilities. Hang on. Rights, Section A. Freedom of expression, of communication, of movement, of assembly, or of petition shall not be abridged except in declared emergency. Section 2. Access to information possessed by governmental agencies shall not be denied except in the interest of national security, but communications among officials necessary to decision-making shall be privileged. Section 3. Public communicators may decline to reveal sources of information, but shall be responsible for hurtful disclosures. Section 4. The privacy of individuals shall be respected. Searches and seizures shall be made only on judicial warrant. Persons shall be pursued and questioned only for the prevention of crime or the apprehension of suspected criminals, and only according to the rules established under the law. Section 5. There shall be no discrimination because of race, creed, color, origin, or sex. The Court of Rights and Responsibilities may determine whether selection for various occupations has been discriminatory. Section 6. All persons shall have equal protection of the laws, and in all electoral procedures, the vote of every eligible citizen shall count equally among others. Section 7. It shall be public policy to promote discussion of public issues and to encourage peaceful public gatherings for this purpose. Permission to hold such gatherings shall not be denied, nor shall it be interrupted, except in declared emergency or on the showing of imminent danger to public order and on judicial warrant. Pay attention. Section 8. The practice of religion shall be privileged, but no religion shall be imposed by some on others, and none shall have public support. Section 9. Any citizen may purchase, sell, lease, hold, convey, and inherit real and personal property, and shall benefit equally from all laws for security in such transactions. Section 10, those who cannot contribute to productivity shall be entitled to a share of the national product, but distribution shall be fair, and the total may not exceed the amount for this purpose held in the National Sharing Fund. What does this sound like to anybody else based on what's happening around us right now? Section 11, education shall be provided at public expense for those who meet appropriate tests of eligibility. Anybody listening? Section 12, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of the law. No property shall be taken without compensation. Section 13, legislators shall define crimes and conditions requiring restraint, but confinement shall not be for punishment, and when possible, there shall be preparation for a return to freedom. Again, what are we seeing happen right now? Section 14, no person shall be placed twice in jeopardy for the same offense. Section 15, writs and habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in declared emergency. Section 16, accused persons shall be informed of charges against them, shall have a speedy trial, shall have reasonable bail, shall be allowed to confront witnesses and to call others, and shall not be compelled to testify against themselves. At the time of arrest, they shall be informed of their rights to be silent and to have counsel provided if necessary at the public's expense, and court shall consider the contention that prosecution may be under an invalid or unjust statute. I'm going to leave it tonight under rights, and tomorrow we'll pick it up under responsibilities. Let me encourage you to consider a different narrative and to open your mind to a truer truth than the lies that they have set out before you. Be well, everyone.